The GTurbo Fan Kit was developed after having a lot of experience with the other options that we've seen on the market. The fan kits, when they first came out, of course, were a great initiative and really did make a meaningful difference to the installations. So essentially, manifold density is what you're trying to get in your vehicle, and the cooler the air coming into your engine at a fixed pressure, the more oxygen molecules are present, and either the leaner your vehicle is going to run or the more fuel you can inject in your vehicle and get better performance. So it basically is just a great thing. You want dense air and you want cooler if you can get it. So one of the ways to get denser air for free is to fit a fan kit. One of the problems though is that we found that even on the dyno, even with these fan kits, you would still get a lot of heat soak. So it was significantly better than having the intercooler with no fan kit. But you would do a dyno run, and let's just say we did a Warrior pack, and instead of fitting a PDI front mount intercooler, we had the factory fan kit, and we had factory intercooler, and a fan kit of any description, a typical twin sort of fan kit on the market. We would find that the first dyno run would be 380, 390 horsepower at the wheels. The second dyno run, even if you waited a minute, you might be lucky to get 360 horsepower, and the torque might have dropped from like 950 newton meters at the wheels down to 850 newton meters at the wheels. And if you keep doing successive runs like that, it tends to just sort of keep dropping and stabilizing it really low, like 330 horsepower at the wheels and sort of 800 newton meters. This wasn't acceptable for us, and we would always point people to a front mount intercooler because the front mount intercooler gave consistently excellent performance, either on the dyno because you've got a big fan in front of it, or on the vehicle itself because you've got like a 20 kilowatt fan connected to the front of your motor, drawing the air through it. So the front mount was always a great option, but a lot of customers didn't want the front mount for varying reasons. Some of them quoted, air conditioning efficiency. Some of them quoted cooling efficiency of the engine. Some of them didn't like the fact that you have to, cut a lot of metal and have close rubbing items in the engine bay. So as a result of that, we were faced with a situation where a lot of customers were retaining the factory intercooler, and our products are installed on it, and we wanted our products to work the best. So we came up with a new system where we get far superior airflow over the intercooler. Much greater flow, resulting in much greater cooling. And the result is, if you wait a minute between dyno runs, you can draw one line over the other. There's essentially no difference between your runs, aside from the fact that the engine itself might gradually increase in temperature. But from the inlet air manifold density, as far as that's concerned, the fan kit really made a tremendous difference to it.